Jakarta Administration has allocated 709 billion rupiah to fund various projects as part of its flood mitigation efforts. Jakarta Water Management Agency Chairman Teguh Hendrawan says city administration would use around 200 billion rupiah to widen rivers and around 400 billion rupiah to widen reservoirs. But Teguh adds land acquisition remains a problem as many residents living by the river banks objected relocation plan. The city administration has also planned to add about 1,000 infiltration wells in flood-prone areas.